Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these two different hair bows using the same template, and we are going to put these on headbands. But before we get started, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you also like this video. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can get updates of anything else that is going on in my life or this channel. So let's get into it. Okay, so what you're going to need for this project is hot glue gun. I'm going to use this X-Acto knife for extra glue stick just in case I need it. I have a piece of soft elastic, and I also have some a nylon headband. We are going to be using this free template that I found online, as well as some white felt and some leather sheet. Okay, so for this we are going to start off with making the template, or cutting out the template, I'm sorry. So what I like to do is place everything down so I can trace and cut. Okay, so now that we have everything traced, it's time to start cutting. I shortened this just from experience working with it. I know that the template piece is rather long and I don't always need it that long, so I shortened it just slightly. So let's start putting this together. So I'm going to prepare the elastic headband. I'm just going to put some hot glue here. Now I'm looking at the right side of the elastic, and I just glued it together. You can sew yours if you like. So we start with the big piece first. And again, you could sew this as well. I think I glued myself. There we go. Okay, and this is the second piece. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far, and if you would like, you can put some hot glue to glue this just a little bit to the bigger bow, just to give it a little bit more stabilization, like that. So now what I'm going to do is take this headband, I'm going to glue that. Like so, and then our centerpiece here. And take that around. And I would suggest also using an erasable marker or pencil or maybe some chalk. I'm just doing this for tutorial purposes, which is why I used a regular pen. Take that up. And then I'm just going to put that over. Okay, so here is our first little bow. Really cute, really simple, really easy. And you can do this in different colors. You can layer it differently. You could take a couple of the pieces off. You can make this how you want. You can add rhinestones, other decorations, anything you want. You can change the color, obviously. You can use grosgrain instead of felt. This can be done in so many ways. So let's move on to our next one. Okay, so for this one, I am going to use my X-Acto knife to cut this out. And as you can see, I'm not using the second layer to the bow. I'm only using one layer. And I'm going to use this piece of paper because I don't want the X-Acto to cut into my table. Now this I cut from a brand new pair of regular women's nylons, and I just cut it about 1 inch and then stretched it out, and that's how it got the roll like that on the inside. If you need a video, please let me know and I will show you how to do that, or I will put it on my blog. Be careful when using X-Acto, it's very sharp. Make sure your little digits are out of the way when you're working with anything sharp, as to not to cut yourself or anyone else. Okay, so this is simple, easy to use. Now the process is going to go the same. You're going to put it together the same way as we did with the felt. Although this is a lot firmer because it's a leather sheet. Okay. And also be careful working with the hot glue, because as you all know, it gets very hot. Okay. So now for this one, this is pretty much the same. You're just going to take, what I like to do is take the bow and put it on the back side, and then instead of putting the bow on top of the headband, I put the headband on top of the bow, if that makes sense. Especially with this one because it's so delicate and it's a lot thinner it makes it easier to do it that way. So now we're going to take your centerpiece. And as you can see how it's so large, I don't need all of that. Okay, and there we go. Simple, easy, really cute. You can make these in no time. Again, if you want to just secure this a little bit more so that's not flapping about, you can put some more hot glue. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. I know it was quick. I know it was kind of basic, but I got a lot of things going on, so I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. So I figured, since I'm already working on new headbands and things like that for my website, that I would show you how to do it if you're like me and you like to make things on your own. These are greatest gifts. You can make so many in so many different ways. You can use so many different types of fabrics, different styles. Make it your own, guys. I love making headbands and hair bows. It's something that I absolutely love to do, and I can even make them when I'm sick. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video. Also make sure you're sharing it out so we can get to 10,000 subscribers for that giveaway. If you would like to follow our vlogs, that link is down below, as well as the link to our movie review channel, which we did a movie review on Avengers Endgame. So if you're into that, go check out our movie review channel, as well as Greg's podcast channel, all linked down below, as well as my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.